Hey guys, thank you for clicking onto this video. Today I'm going to be recreating the butterfly Instagram filter with makeup. If you're new here, you should subscribe. I'm going to be posting videos every Sunday at 3 p.m. So yeah, this makeup look is really easy and it's supposed to snatch your face like a model. So if you want to learn how I did it, then keep watching. After priming my eyes, I grabbed a contour shade and placed it in the outer corner of my lid. Now I'm going to grab my drugstore foundation and I'm going to be putting it on with my Artiste Oval 7 brush. For this foundation, I like to put it on my hand first and warm it up and then dot it on my face and use my Artiste brush to blend it in. I got this brush for Christmas from my boyfriend and I really love it. It's so soft and it just makes everything blend in really smoothly. For concealer, you can use any concealer you would like. I'm using the Born This Way concealer. I like to place it under my eyes in an upside down triangular shape, and I like to blend it with a beauty blender because it gives me a smoother application. After I blend everything out, I'm going to be taking a baking powder and bake wherever I put my concealer, especially around my nose because we would like to make our nose really small since the filter does that. I'm going to also bake my chin a little bit to help me with my contour later on and to make my face thinner overall. I'm going to use a bronzer before a contour to blend out everything and to make my face thinner and more shaped. For lashes, I'll be using a more natural set because the filter doesn't really add that much, and I'll be using clear glue with it. I really apologize for the lighting change throughout this video. I tried and I couldn't fix it. Now I'm going to use my liquid eyeliner on my inner corner to extend it towards my nose, which in return makes it bigger. You can see here the difference between the two eyes. One looks dramatically bigger than the other. I'm going to grab a tiny brush and my beat up contouring palette and try to contour my nose with the coolest contour shade. I contoured my shade kind of harshly and I blended in more and more, but you would want to have a harsh contour because the filter makes your nose extremely small and thin. Now for the actual face contour, which is one of the most important parts of this makeup look, You would want to kind of do it harshly and make a duck lip face and put it wherever it's hollowed. I threw on some mascara for my bottom lashes because the filter didn't really do much to them. Now for the star of the show, which is the blush, I'm grabbing my Laura Mercier and I'm getting just a random brush and I'm gonna place it on my, kind of under my eyes in a way and on my nose. It looks like I have a really bad sunburn, but that's how the filter does it. I'm not sure if the filter highlights your face, but I'm gonna highlight anyway, and I'm using the Kylie highlight with just a random highlight brush. Now I'm gonna grab a really dark kind of brown shade and using a really thin brush to dot the freckles on. I'm sure there are other products that could do it way better than just me doing it manually, but I didn't have one in hand. And if you're just recreating this look and you don't really want to go out and buy a freckle applicator or whatever, you can just use this method. In a way, I think doing it manually makes it way more realistic because freckles are not supposed to be a perfect dot. Now I'm grabbing a lighter shade of brown in the same brush and doing the same thing to kind of contrast and make it look more realistic. For my lips, I'll leave it up to you to figure out what I did to make them look like this. I'll link my last video about my lips in the eye, either the left or the right side, I don't really know. Now, just like the filter, this makeup look might just disappear if you move around, so you would want to set it. I'm setting it with my Morphe setting spray. I actually got these butterfly clips off of AliExpress. They're so cute and they were so cheap. I can link them below for you. And now you can take your Instagram filter wherever you go in real life. You're not catfishing anyone anymore because you literally have butterflies on you. If you made it to the end, thank you so much. Give this video a like and I'll see you next time. Bye!